Hi everyone, Mr. Gupton here on location. I'm in my little kitchen work area where I am about to make one of my... Hello? Yes? No! You have the wrong number. One of my favorite foods, banana bread. Now I have this recipe. If you click on the attachment, you'll see the recipe that I'm working with. However, I want to double the recipe, and I only have this 1/3 measuring cup to pour my flour in. So when I'm all done, I want to know how much of my ingredients did I use when I doubled the recipe, and how many scoops did I use of flour using this 1/3 measuring cup. Look, my banana bread is all done. Now I want you to tell me what time it is. I put this in the oven at 2:30 this afternoon. After about 40 minutes, I checked in, realized it wasn't done, so I gave it an extra 15 minutes of baking. When I pulled it out of the oven, I decided that I needed 20 minutes for it to rest and cool down before I decided to eat it. So tell me, what time is it now? If you don't mind, I am going to eat my delicious banana bread. Oh, it's so good.